Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Jacob, and today we're back again with another YouTube video. I've been gone a little bit and I haven't been posting as much as I usually have. I just posted a video. I've been working on that one for a little bit. I thought that was a fun video that I made, and yeah, I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. Today's video is going to be something great. It's something I haven't really been talking about that much, but it's the editing softwares that I use or I have used in the past, and we're going to be talking around from Windows to Apple to Android. So some of them that I picked out have been like Davinci Resolve, Shotcut, VN, Imovie, and Filmora Go, but sadly that one has become a little bit, what do you call it, what would you say, money based. Anyways guys, let's just go through them, and yeah, let's start off first thing first with VN. First, I would say VN is a great service to use. That's the one I am currently using right now, and it's a great software for editing. It has great cuts in it and everything you really need. You can do many overlays when it comes to audio, and you can do really anything you need to do in it. It can come out in 60 FPS with 4K quality. It has different bit rates and everything like that. So it's great overall, and yeah, here's what it looks like inside the app. Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Jay. It was a fun video that I made. Editing softwares that today's video is gonna be something great. Today's video is so
it's melody songs.
Hey yo, Benz, what you cooking?
for overlays when and you can do when I say Filmora, that's what I use. This next thing I got. Anyways guys, now we're going on to what I say is Filmora, and that's what I used to use before VN, and they switched to being money based, and that you'd have to have a subscription to get it, but it was pretty good. I enjoyed it for the most part, and yeah, I used it for a long time. I tried getting it on my computer for a little bit, but I had a hard time because then they put a huge watermark over my videos, so couldn't use it. Like I said, they moved to more of a subscription base. So if you guys need a great editor that comes with a lot of stuff, even with built-in videos and everything that you need, they got it for you, and you can get it from them from there. And it's a great editor. I loved it, and yeah, everything's perfect about it. as much as I usually have. I mean, I just posted a video. I mean, I've been working on that. Today's video is gonna be something great. It's something I haven't really. Today's video is gonna be. Today's video is gonna be. Today's video. Today's video is gonna be something great. It's something I haven't really been. Today's video is gonna be something great. Something I haven't really been talking about that much. Next up is going to be my only Apple one I got, and it's Imovie. I've used this for multiple school projects and everything, and they've been great. I love Imovie. It has everything you need for beginners type editing, and it's definitely something great to have. If you're looking to getting into editing or anything, and you have an Apple product, Imovie is what I would suggest first of all, and it's a great service to use. Let's get into what Imovie looks like. So here we go. Up with the trend with the free editors and everything that I have on this list. Next thing I got up is Davinci Resolve, which you can get a more of a expensive option, and you go with the subscription and you get more wide variety. But if you guys like editing, making like little short movies with action clips, that is great to have Davinci Resolve. They got everything you need on there. I did use it for a little bit, but it was a little bit harder for me. I mean, I'm not actually like completely like smart when it comes to editing. I like it to be a little bit spaced down, but otherwise that it's a great source to use if you guys want to get into movie, like a little bit of like a short film movie editing, if you guys know what I'm meaning. They got a lot of FX on there, and it's just a great overall editing software. I love it, and also it's free and it's great. Oh, and also guys, remember, all of these will be in the description for all the downloads and everything, or stuff like that, if I can find them. The last one that I got coming up right here is Shotcut, and this is the one that I used back in 2017 when I was making gaming clips. I really didn't know what I was doing when it comes to editing at all, and that was something that I used for a long time, like I said, and it was my main editor for the longest, and all I did on it was basically just cut down clips. But so far, all the updates and everything, it's been a lot better about editing software, and it's just great altogether. I would definitely highly suggest this if you're getting into editing too and you want it on your PC or laptop. It's a great editing software to start with, and it's just all around great. Definitely suggest that, and here's what it looks like. So yeah guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you like this little ring light thing that I'm doing here, leave it down below in the comments. I'd love to know if you guys like this and you guys want me to see more of me using this ring light thing. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a great one guys. And if you want to like it, subscribe, leave a comment about whether if you like these editors or not, or if you guys got any other ones you guys want to point out. But yeah guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.